Hello, I'm just wondering how I can start investing and wanting a better understanding of the stock market.
Sure, let me show you ValueLine, our stock database. ValueLine has resources for new investors and people new to their database. From the ValueLine homepage, let's click on Investment Education. Under the banner, we see featured educational articles. These articles highlight an aspect of the stock market and explain what it does and means. We can view all articles by going back to the top and clicking on Articles. From here, we can search by category of the article. So I want to learn more about options. So I will click on Options and all the articles about options will come up. Please note that some articles require a personal subscription to ValueLine and will not appear. Back to that Investment Education tab. And to the right, we see the glossary. You can look up specific terms that you are unsure of, or click on View All Terms and find the term by the letter. I want to learn more about dividends, so I'm going to click on D. I'm going to scroll down until I see dividend. And there it is. Going back to the Investment Education tab, we see Popular Tool Guide. This section provides information on how to navigate the website and how to use the different tools in ValueLine. They also have a YouTube channel that shows you how to use their website, as well as a playlist of stocks they recommend buying right now. As you use ValueLine and run into any problem, you can scroll down all the way to the bottom and click Help to find more information about ValueLine's research and frequently asked questions. The last thing I want to show you for the Investment Education tab, we're going to go back to Investment Education tab, is ValueLine University. You can find it in the banner by clicking on the arrows. It's going to be the last one. This is a guide for absolute beginners that will teach you investment basics, investment strategies, how to build a portfolio, and how to study a stock. When you click on a part on the right, you'll see the different sections. So part 1 of Investment Basics covered this information for stocks.
I learned a lot. ValueLine is so cool to use. I'm going to start learning how to invest in stocks so I can be a billionaire. Thank you.